Hello, my name is Deepanshi Pal and I have completed my Btech in Computer Science and Engineering from MIT, and I got 81.1 percentage, and so uh, I have came in QSpiders in the month of July, and I have learned so many skills like HTML, CSS, Java, Advanced Java, and SQL. And I saw there in QSpiders, the trainers are very supportive and have a good knowledge about these skills. And I meet so many people as a classmate in QSpiders, but two or three people are most precious to me. And so many trainers are very thankful, like Riza sir, Shan sir, Vidya sir, and Meenu ma'am also is very supportive to add my name in requirement. That's all. Thank you.